Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Xbox has been server down. The Xbox has been different gameplay, but any error show problems, and try to again this. Then mistake your auto in out online. Try to again in your 5 minutes and get your error and check the server and still error code 0x87e107df error show problems and Xbox issues problems, but any problem the update this video to watching. The first step, the error problem updated. First of all, the Xbox as we issues problem main one step, the Xbox officially the problems. Server connection the issues. Let me the checking the first of all the server status updated, the checking the skin has been shared and the red line the server has been crashing problems.